Assembly passes 4 demands amounting to over 767 crores for various departments including agriculture and planning. Chief Minister Biren says the government will consider lifting of disturbed area status from other segments of Manipur. Mother of Hitler accused in twin murder in Uripur claims he did not commit the murder. And students storm Health Directorate against allotment of an MBBS seat to an outsider. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. Manipur Legislative Assembly today unanimously passed 4 demands amounting to over 767 crores for various departments this afternoon. The demands are for agriculture, administration of justice, planning on sericulture. Finance Minister Yunam Joy Kumar, who also holds the finance portfolio, moved the demands. Opposition MLAs K. Ranjit, Dr. Chalchalian Amo, T.H. Lokeshwar, K. Meghachandra, Mohammad Abdul Nazir, K.H. Joykisan, Surju Kumar Okram, Alfred Kangam Arthur raised a cut motion on the demand for agriculture on the account of failure to protect agriculture land, failure of proper policy for distribution of fertilizers to farmers, government's failure to ensure rice seedlings to flood-affected farmers, inadequate fund for agricultural activities, inability to implement central sponsor schemes, etc. Responding to the cut motion, Agriculture Minister V. Ankalian informed the House that the economy of the state will improve only when the agricultural yields increase. He said the government has been trying to protest the agricultural lands in the state. The minister also told Assembly that the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 is strictly implemented. He said the area of agricultural lands has increased by 6.44% from 2002 to 2016, answered the agricultural yields by 26.54%. V. Ankalian said the farmers need not panic about scarcity of fertilizers, rice seeds and seedlings. He assured the House that measures will be taken to distribute fertilizers to the farmers on an emergency basis.
Agricultural lands niti decrease tore haina haibase ehagi information dadi increase tobra haina lo jage sir record gi matung inna asumai le 2002 da 2,19,950 hectares se lebadu 2060 phau dadi 2,34,120 hectares se hojik cultivation area da le maramaduna 6.44% se increase to dun labor male decrease to bagi mahutta production sisu sa 2002 da 4,39,000 metric ton se produce to ba 2016 power the 5,97,670 metric ton se produce to ba 26.54% increase to ba aduna lakpa maramaduna huzik agriculture led so area khara di encroach tore area khara da su ekoina losin ba khar leiba chingnung da ekoina cultivable area oina produce to ba khara su leiba gi maramasina mangba area su le ekoina reclaim to ba area su khar leiba gi maramasina increase ten la ya hana khumjagi aduga production sisu 2002 da gi di 2016 da ekoi gi percentage oina kholadi 26.54% increase to duna la maramaduna jamna nipipai to ningai le tabra haina khanjare sir.
Chief Minister Nongthombom Biren today told Assembly that the government will consider lifting of disturbed area status from other segments of the state. He was replying to a star question raised by opposition MLA K. Ranjit during the question hour. Ranjit wanted to know if the government has plans to lift the disturbed area status from the remaining assembly segments beside the 10 assembly segments in the Greater Imphal. Several MLAs today raised 13 star questions during the question hour, followed by supplementary questions. K. K. Ranjit wanted to know the number of cybercrime cases taken up by the government from 2016 until July 2017. In his response, Chief Minister Nongthom Bombiren, who also holds the home portfolio, told the House that 39 cases have been taken up so far and punishments have also been awarded to the accused in some cases. He told the members that a cybercrime police station was opened this year and efforts are on to fight cybercrimes in the state. MLAs S. Bira and Mohammad Fazur Rahim wanted to know the measures taken up by the government to help the farmers affected by the flood. Agriculture land Viankalan informed the House that the flood has damaged 78,677 hectares of agriculture land. He said seedlings would also be distributed to the affected farmers.
223.83 crores ki mang ta e dana thagalubne do sum makhatana sokchalakpa khochalakpa jar kana ko hosik final oina khona thagar krisi 358 crores, a total amount of rupees 4.7 crore ki masimadi khoi deputy commissioner singi khuthang da 15 district thadokre
sidai da relief ki material si
223.83 crores ki mang ta e dana thagalubne do sum makhatana sokchalakpa khochalakpa jar kana ko hosik final oina khona thagar krisi 358 crores, a total amount of rupees 4.7 crore ki masimadi khoi deputy commissioner singi khuthang da 15 district thadokre
sidai da relief ki material si DC ki kuthang da pithok pane haibado awaba tar bu sab manba equal si tawgada bane ab hojik sidai da ikhoi ki Bishnupur district ki se ikhoi ki administration pairi ba mois di change to bi yoba
natural calamities haiba sidai da ai BJP ki Congress ki na khairga ya ponate BJP ge chau Congress ge chau nu ga ya ro ising ji ya de haribu mai wo ro du wo madu ra mala thivnen lawi elected members sing the dishonor to ba aduga phone pai da ba khot ba adugum badu di madu strongly adu di ai house gi leader moina ai ngasi dum hairi sina adugum ba tawraga di government tolerate toroi ising chauri badu kanagino karigino ina khoi khanbam thokte chauri ba tari ba wana tari ba mayam punamak tu amato oina yangpham thoi haiba simaga thamjan jage duga sai kari district da kari hena kari kana kai doge doi kupni yangchal jage the.
Soon after the question hour, Congress MLA D. Korongthang raised, calling attention on the reported dispute over a piece of land in Sadang Sengba Maring village in Andro. Korongthang told the assembly that dispute over the land started in the village a few years ago. There has been conflict between the neighboring villages of Tonga Lokol and Chapu Upi, claiming ownership of land since 2014. He appealed to the government to look into the matter and resolve the dispute. In reply, Revenue Minister Karam Sham told the House that the situation is now under control.
Praja Singhi awaba hai batare low udabagi khanarpagi awaba sina laiba sahi sida amok economically so problem lakado bani adudi forest department ga andro ga khatnaribra natraga forest department ga sandang senba khatnaribra karigino sandang senba ga andro ga khatnariba maram sina karigino hairiba lamsigi status karino masi Singi lam oiribra, natragana revenue survey area oiribra.
STO cycle na DC Senapati da iba city yamada wazaki sanang senba maring si moigine na city yama iba. Aduga 4 January 1990 da nasaiki Under Secretary Forest na masi androgi adi ahal laman ge hangtak tagi laiba jagane na city anis da base torga haiba pot anisi villager singsi khanabagi maro oiba reserve forest ki area da village anina aigi lamne na claim tawraga khanabagi di thoidong mathau tade madudi sarkar gi oina reserve forest area oina laibani adubo sarkar sina adi praja singi marakta khanaba chainaba tholokpa taraga di to mina laithokpa yadaba aduna akoi sarkar gi side gi adi ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯅꯦꯒꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯦ.
Law Minister L. Jayantakumar stated that a court development committee has been formed to look into frequent floods at Cherab Court. He was responding to a cut motion raised by the opposition MLAs during a discussion on the demand for administration of justice in the Assembly. The minister said the committee formed under Acting Chief Justice and Koteshwar with other department concerns including the PWD. He says ways are being worked out to find funds needed for the work. The Law Minister also told the House that examination has been held to fill the vacancies for 3 great judiciary posts and other vacancies will also be filled up soon.
Judicial post had haragan as a High Court kidi tungan mamakil amalai, but next to High Court heng makada laiba mayamna subordinate judiciary and the Kangariba Makalgi court system same masida 3-tier system. Number 1 judicial officer grade 1 habama, grade 2 habama, grade 3 habama. Grade 1 da yaurishna ko distinguished sessions the fast track court ke tori basina the edition distinguished sessions sina grade 1. Grade 2 has na chief judicial magistrate amasung civil judge senior division halisina grade 2. Grade 3 na hari basina judicial magistrate first class and the civil judge junior division have grade home jakhaile. Particular branch of department, it is very important that administrative justice siguma makil pochi piged of near the local lenamag sigi carefully deal to see it and I have suggested we were makalgi ideas in Putopi with the Achabuti Ayarauji.
Mother of Khongban Thabam Hitler was accused in a twin murder of a pregnant woman and her mother on May 30 this year at Uripok Bachaspati Maninglaikai claimed that her son did not commit the murder. She alleged that Hitler confessed to the crime she never committed after police tortured him. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, Hitler's mother, Khongban Thambam Daneshwari, said after police produced him in court in connection with the case on June 12, he has kept in jail. She wanted to know why he was produced just once in the court and demanded to produce Hitler before the court again to hear his statement. Daneshwari also told the people to help her family lead a normal life and be a part of the society and after their house was destroyed by an angry mob after the twin murder.
Ijanupana harakoni sijo ko da butho matam da judge na macha na ba leibra na yengthoro na hai aduga rimsa puraga na maji macha si check torakanda si lamphenda dum pure hai lamphena puraga madudagi adum mami khumaga phubuduna adum phure hai ba 4 day haibdi si lokapta dum yalaga phubni hai ba egi janupana di haibdi handicap antaga magi mapa che si so oning de ba malam di kaisu tawna tamnina aduna mana phattaba haibo erga di ai maga jamina rumni maga jamina ru phane harga ai loi sing thokpa yai hai ba loi wamina ba yai ado ai tawning de ado moi gi thitan mayam da ai kitang phagadra na hale hai ba wai du ka hairu badagi moina adudagi kaino si loi tawgi bani hai sauraga du hale na law ni hai.
Thongam Chawa, a voter of Patso Assembly constituency, has alleged that returning officer Dr. Daulad Khan, counting agent S. Teach Money, election agent O. Sarachandra and bench clerk indulged in wrongdoings in the counting of election results of the recently concluded Manipur Legislative Assembly elections. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Chawa maintained that the relevant authorities have remained mute spectators despite numerous requests. He said results of the case will be announced on the 7th of this month. He appealed to relevant authorities to take appropriate action under the People's Representative Acts.
Haubadigi loi bhauda ningba kairba pasoi ki kendra ki parja khoi myam se akiba leitana a Delhi baba thak thak nikai ko andolon tor kana punamak singji khangbiraba ubiraba Manipur gomena tumina lishan bigano tongthom birensi asumbada pamani hai ado pasoi kendra ki parja 40,000 mukse masigi daitasi mana lobigidamni akoi mitta pi tariba thamoi shoibese siri birena khangbigidamni masi individual nateba Manipur government maruaina chief minister gi miyeng yam chawna chingchen janingi aduga police department akan miyeng changaningi.
Now let's take a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime News. A 14-year-old girl studying in a class 9 at Senapati Government High School was brutally assaulted and abandoned by unidentified persons in Senapati yesterday around 4:30 p.m. Speaking to a media person at Manipur Press Club, All Liang Mai Naga Student Union, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur Education Secretary T.H. Masanbao said her family found her lying unconscious near a pond after she went off to fetch water at the village pond and did not come back. She was admitted at Senapati Hospital and later taken to RIMS. She is now admitted to ICU in Rajmedicity City. A case had been registered at Senapati Police Station. He condemned the assault and urged the government to produce the accused within 2 days.
Mibu miu ina uthuktraba satrabu sumaina otnai biba nungsibitaba sigumba coward oibago uncivilized oiba activities to bise khoina in strongest term khoina condemn to we masida chenaba culprit che within 2 days manungda government na natraga concerned authority moina puthuk piraga capital punishment che mangonda chap chapgi justice che right investigation toraga to bitraji akhoi after 2 days akan ba khungjin che protest any kind of agitation with other civil organization hoi pulaga hoi togani.
Surrendered cadres of 9 different militant outfits have complained of not receiving the benefits they deserved. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of All Manipur Surrender Welfare Association Muhammad Tayyib Ali Elias Kaji Umar said 114 cadres of UNLF, PREPAC, RPF, KIKL, KCP, UNRF, KNLF, UPPK and PERV Kaji Umar has surrendered on the 26th September 2012. However, stipend and fixed deposit for 3 years provided by the central government has not reached them till date. He also claimed that the militant outfits under the suspension of operation receive stipends and other benefits. Muhammad Tayyib Ali appealed the new BJP-led government in the state to look into the matter. He maintained that these militants gave up arms to get back on the right path of the society. Those with family are facing grievous inconveniences. He requested the government not to turn the issue into a drama for the Assam Rifles and Manipur Police. Muhammad Tayyib Ali, who is also the chairman of PERV, Kaji Umar, appealed the government to discuss the matter in the ongoing budget session of the All of Manipur Assembly.
2012 September tang kuntarukta aikoi cylinder ceremony se IJR South 17 Assam Rifle gi khutang da aikoi tawjakhibani adonga si phawda thagi tolop su phangde sahi pharakpagi fixed deposit su phangde ado paliba sarkar sina cylinder singdi haibiraga tolop se lupa lising mari dagi nipan phawdi pire aina haibire ado aikoi cylinder sing de piri bra su kangbu de piri bra madu aikoi gyan tabama ngamde aikoi cylinder sing de di pi balaite aduga su kangbu de pi haibedi aikoi sana su khang.
A student from Manipur has invented a device named soil moisture tester for checking the moisture content of soil. Laishram Trinity, son of Laishram Ongbi, Fulopad from Tera Sapam Lerak, Nomaitem Laikai, is studying BTech in Computer Science and Engineering at Sardar University in Greater Noida. The soil moisture application tester is made by using a microcontroller with the application of Arduino. The soil moisture testing device consists of one dielectric sensor, HC06, Bluetooth module, and one electric motor. A smartphone and a very small voltage of electric power source are required to operate the device. The smartphone has been installed with a mobile application known as Bluetherm, and the device will be connected to the phone via Bluetooth. When the dielectric sensor is inserted inside the soil, the moisture content of the soil is displayed on the phone. Laishram Trinity told Impact News that in a poor state like Manipur, the farmers face problems due to scarcity of water and fertile soil. He hoped that the soil moisture tester created with a minimal amount would be a great help to the farmers.
Application jigi maming di soil moisturizing app or soil moisturizer tester haibneba sideda mana sensor amaka 시즌에 센서 점밍 soil moisturizing sensor 하여 시 센서 저 코이나 soil 틴전 간이다 soil 지도 야오바 마기 이싱 만인기 장지 온방 아메와 에나로가 라포세 디지털 다 convert to kan da ko gi smartphone da hojiki Arduino have pose connect to kan da mana magi output magi data je phangdone soil da yor ba magi ising maning gi sangje adugi matungina mana hojiki season eba mean a ai gi laibak se da ai gi soil je da ising maning asuki chang yauri hai 60% 40% simaini yauri hai do khangbang amdone aduna khoi gi lamdam sidi agriculture om da yam depend tawni na and they me su yamna ta human resource su yamna leijada bani na farmer amana lavukta adum chatlaga magi ising kyam yauri yaude check tawim mota device se hapsan bi haga yumda dum laina magi phone dagi ising maning gi chang kyam yauri yaude yengaba matungda mana magi water pump do on tawba off tawba gi ayabado adugi kana bado phangani haina haijaningi.
Rajashri Bhaigachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur will observe the death anniversary of Rajashri and Radhakund in Mathura district, Uttar Pradesh from September 21st to 23rd. Speaking to media persons at Segarog Thaugda Bhabok Laikai, treasurer of the foundation Takhilambam Irabot said, titular King Leisema Sanajauba will also take part in the observance, during which 111 artists of 5 renowned cultural troupes from across the state will present dance, music and other cultural performances. Roop Mahal Theatre Imphal will also perform a play, Rajashri Bhaigachandra, at Mira Manoranjan Hall. President of the foundation, K. Guni Laima, said, Rajashri Bhaigachandra Cultural Foundation has been involved in the promotion of the contribution of the great king of Manipur in various parts of the country. In the past few years, the anniversary was held only at Nabadip, but this year the event will be held at Radhakunda. Nangna Kappa Pakchade, the 5th production of PK Films made in 35mm celluloid, has been invited to the competition section of the International Film Festival to be held at Kinshasa in Congo. The film will also screen for the public. The film is produced by the brothers Thongamba and Thoyanba, script and screenplay by Maharaj Kumari Binodini, music by Namai Rakpam Tiken and directed by Mangkhomani Mongsaba. Tonthoi, Denny, Laibak Semba, Sarojini and Piksak Macha are the lead actors. The film was processed at Prasad Film Laboratory, Chennai and subtitled at Film Lab India, Mumbai. Nangna Kappa Pakchade is the first ever digital intermediate film in the northeastern region. It may be recalled that the film was released worldwide online for the first time on August 1st, 2016.
Aigi mado khangba kanki asengwa maitai nupine.
The prizes of the painting, essay, speech and poem competition held on April 20th and May 19 at Ima House Lumfeld and Nilapatma Higher Secondary School, Sekmai, will be presented to the winners at the Office Chamber of Health Minister L. Jayantakumar at Imphal Old Secretariat on August 5th at 2 p.m. PRO Assam Rifles had denied the statement of Northeastern Dialogue Forum, which appeared in newspapers, that Assam Rifle is conducting an oil exploration survey as false as baseless. The PRO in the press release said a new camp of Assam Rifles is under construction at Kangwei and the water supply scheme is also under construction at the location. 5 bore wells have been dug for the purpose. 1 bore well is functional and is being used for drawing water, while drilling for the 5th bore well by Uttar Pradesh Jal Nigam, Noida, is in progress. The drilling is solely for water supply scheme and not for oil exploration. The PRO maintained that the news have been published without cooperating with the Assam Rifles. One-day free medical camp was organized by Yuva Bharat Manipur, Bharat Swabhiman Trust, Patanjali Yoga Samiti, District Yuva Bharat Imphal East, Loksangkhong Patanjali Yoga Samiti and Chief Medical Office Imphal East at Loksangkhong Community Hall from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. More than 300 people turned up at the camp and free medicines were also distributed to the people. Online application for recruitment rally at Laimakong scheduled from October 3rd to 10th for recruitment of other ranks will open from August 3rd and closed on September 18th. Candidates who have been registered earlier in the previous rally can directly log in and apply fresh at www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Now, before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Assembly passes 4 demands amounting to over 767 crores from various departments, including agriculture and planning. Chief Minister Biren says the government will consider lifting of disturbed area status from other segments of Manipur. Mother of Hitler accused in train murder in Uripur claims he did not commit the murder. And students stormed the Health Directorate against allotment of an MBBS seat to an outsider.